easy and quick crochet bandana, perfect for beginners. You can wear it every day, or make it as a sweet gift idea. Use any yarn you like, and adjust the size easily. All right, let's get started. Quick sizing. That's about 18 inches wide and about 9.5 inches tall. You can adjust it to fit your head. Easy. For yarn, I'm holding acrylic together with a sparkly strand. But one color is fine. Or fully sparkly, your choice. And I'm using a 3mm crochet hook. If you'd like to support my channel, please subscribe. And now, let's start the pattern. Hold both yarns together and start with a magic ring, an adjustable loop we can pull tight. Chain 2. Now work 2 double crochets into the ring. Chain 2, and 3 double crochets into the ring. Chain 2. Last set. 3 double crochets into the ring. And that's the base of row 1. Nice and neat. So we have 3 double crochet groups, with chain 2 spaces between them. Pull the ring closed, nice and tight. Chain 3, and turn your work. Into the first chain space. 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets. What yarn colors are you using today? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to see. Chain 5. Into the next chain space. 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets. If this is helping you, please give it a like. All right, let's keep going. Chain 3, and turn your work. After row 2, we'll always repeat the same corner cluster in the first space and the last space. So it's a corner cluster, chain 2, and 3 double crochets. And in this space as well, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. We only chain 3 when we turn the work. And between sections, we always chain 5. Single crochet into the chain space from the row below. Chain 5. In the middle chain space, repeat the same stitch. 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets. Chain 3. Turn your work and repeat the same stitch in the chain space. chain 5, single crochet into the next chain space, chain 5, and again, single crochet into the next chain space, chain 5, and in the last chain space, 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets. Chain 3. Turn your work. From here on, the pattern will repeat every row. In the first space and the last space, work 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets. And between those sections, we make chain 5 loops and keep building the pattern upward. You might want to save this tutorial for later, so you can follow along anytime. When you reach the end of the row, chain 3 and turn. Then repeat the same stitches from the row below. After you make the corner stitches on both ends, we'll create chain 5 loops by single crocheting into each chain space. Look, on row 2, we have 1 loop space. On the next row, we have 2 loop spaces. Then 3 loop spaces. And then 4 loop spaces. So in every new row, you'll add 1 more loop space. That's how the bandana grows upward. Keep repeating until you reach the length you want. I've crocheted enough rows now, so I can show you the edging step clearly. In my finished piece, I made a total of 25 rows after the magic ring. Your row count may be different, depending on your yarn thickness and hook size. Totally normal. Keep crocheting until the back part sits nicely at the nape of your neck, right where the tie chains will be. For the edging, I'll be using these iridescent sequins. They add the cutest little sparkle. You can also use pearls, add tassels, or choose any edging style you like. Make it yours. Now let's get our sequins ready, just enough to show you the edging steps. We can start the edging. Chain 5. Pick up a sequin, insert your hook into the little top loop, pull up a loop, and make a single crochet to attach it. Chain 5. Now go down to the next chain space and single crochet to secure it. And just like that, the sequin is secured. Chain 5. Now we'll repeat the same steps. Into that top loop on the sequin, pull up a loop and single crochet. Chain 5. Try to keep your chain loops about the same size, so the edging looks neat. Now single crochet into the next chain 3 space to secure it. And you can adjust these chain loops, make them shorter or longer. It's up to you. Now just keep repeating the same steps until you reach the magic ring space. Take your time here. Just keep repeating, and you'll get there. And now we'll keep repeating these edging steps as we work our way upward. And here's the rule. After you attach a sequin, the next single crochet always goes into those chain 3 spaces. That keeps everything lined up nicely. And now we've finished both sides with the sequins. Now slip stitch across the tops of the double crochets until you reach the last chain space. Slip stitch, just insert, yarn over, pull through. At this point, we're going to make the tie chain for the back of the bandana. You can make this chain as long as you want, depending on your fit. I chained 18. After you chain 18, attach another sequin. Or you can skip the sequin here, tie a knot, and cut your yarn after the chain. Either way works. After you attach the sequin, slip stitch into the top of each chain, all the way back until you reach the chain space again. And finish with a slip stitch, right into that last chain space. Chain 1, cut your yarn, and weave in the end on the back. Use a tapestry needle if you have one, nice and clean. Now we'll make the same tie chain, on the left side as well. Secure your yarn, then chain 18, 19, or whatever length you prefer. When you reach the end, slip stitch into that starting point where you attached the yarn. Then make slip stitches across the tops of the next 3 double crochets. Chain 1, cut your yarn, and weave in the end on the back, as neatly as you can. And that's it. Your bandana is finished. After you finish, you can use a little steam from your iron to shape the piece and straighten those chain loops nicely. I steamed the edging too, just to make everything look clean and even. One quick note after steaming, the size may change a little. It can stretch, longer and a bit wider. And that's everything for today. I really hope this tutorial was helpful. Before you go, please subscribe, give this video a like, and share it with a crochet friend. Thank you so much for your support. See you in the next crochet tutorial. Take care.